hated God when I was a kid. He was a monster who created us differently just so we could be ranked in value. Until one day I realized maybe what I thought about God wasn't true after all. I was wired differently than the culture I was born into. I didn't understand why I was supposed to hate certain people. So I thought maybe God doesn't rank us. Maybe we do that to ourselves. And I accepted God as a creator who allows us to be different and who sent Jesus to die for all of our sins. Believing doesn't mean I know everything. I still have doubt and questions on occasion, and parts of the Bible still confuse me. What I do know is Jesus has shown me overwhelming freedom and love, and I never want to go back to the pre-Jesus.